If you're looking for a refreshing beverage, you are in the right place. Whether you need something for your next brunch or girls' night, or you just want something different to sip on at home, you will love this Grapefruit Spritzer. I'm Shelly with Art for My Table, and today I'm sharing with you a lovely spring mocktail. I've been drinking mocktails since before it was a thing. Now people all over are finding reasons to refrain from alcohol, whether it is just for a short season or it's for long term. If you're limiting your alcohol intake, you don't have to limit flavor or drink something boring. The problem with most virgin drinks is that all they do is leave out the alcohol. So you're left with an overly sugary sweet drink, where normally the alcohol in that drink would blend out the flavors. Today's mocktail is a Grapefruit Spritzer, and it's the perfect balance between sweet and sour that your taste buds are going to enjoy. I'll show you two versions of this spritzer, each with a slightly different flavor. For the first version, we're gonna use freshly squeezed grapefruit juice along with a non-alcoholic Sparkling Brut. This is a little more elegant version. It's perfect for a girls' night or a brunch or a baby shower, something of that nature. Before juicing the grapefruit, I'm just gonna cut off a couple of slices to use as a garnish. So we'll just set those aside for now. Using a citrus juicer, just press the grapefruit to release the juice. These are great because it keeps all the seeds out of the juice. Before pouring it into the glass, we're gonna add some sugar to the rim. This makes it look really beautiful, plus it adds a touch of sweetness. To do this, we're just gonna use one of the wedges that we cut earlier and just slide that around the edge of the glass. Then dip the rim in sugar. Now we'll add some crushed ice, and we'll fill the glasses about half full with the grapefruit juice, about 4 ounces each. Now I'm gonna add the Sparkling Brut to this one. Of course, if you want this to be alcoholic, you can just use your favorite sparkling wine. For the second version, we're gonna top it off with ginger beer. This will add a warm, spicy kick to the drink. Now, ginger beer is a non-alcoholic beverage, even though it has beer in the title. Lastly, we'll garnish the mocktails. This just adds that extra touch and gives it a beautiful presentation. So for the one with the Sparkling Brut, we're just gonna add a wedge of grapefruit. Very simple, very elegant. For the one with the ginger beer, I'm also gonna add a slice of crystallized ginger. Thank you so much for watching today. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell if you'd like to be notified of brand new videos. I hope you enjoy your spring mocktail, and I will see you next time.